Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a very special car. It's a 1968 Camaro. It's got a Pro Charge 468 under the hood. But the owner here is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Lenny?
Good, how are you?
Man, what a pretty car, bro.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about it.
496, big block, aluminum head, Pro Charged, intercooled, 1,000 horsepower, rotating eagle assembly in the bottom end, Victor Jr. intake, top Pro line heads, full aeromotive fuel system, which is brand new, along with everything else that's brand new. It's Ford 9-inch, 456 gears. It has a turbo 400 with a brake. What else?
Jeez, you got tubular upper and lowers, it looks like.
Yep. Brand new QA1s all the way around, all fully adjustable all the way around. It's a ladder bar car. Cage is certified for 850s. Great driver. Runs really cool. Brand new Be Cool radiator in it. There's maybe 500 miles on it.
Jeez.
Body was done. It was a full frame on restoration. Everything was taken off. All new gaskets, glass, bumpers, weather stripping. Quarters were stretched and rolled. The rain gutters were shaved. The locks were shaved. Brand new rims and tires.
Yeah, these aren't cheap.
Yep. Wellwood brakes.
Wow.
So it's a brand new cheetah shifter in it. That's about all I can remember right this second.
More will come to you.
Oh, whole trunk was done. I'll show you the trunk.
Yeah, let's check that out.
That was completely done. All new fuel cell, battery box, pumps.
Wow, that is pretty. You got some money in this thing.
You ain't kidding.
What's that, 13 gallon?
Yeah, I think it is 13 or 15.
15 or 15.
Runs on pump gas. If you do take it down the track for a pass or two, I would run race fuel in it.
Mm-hmm.
What else?
Super straight, gorgeous body. God, it's done right.
Yeah, it was cause
a lot of thought.
A lot of thought, a lot of time, and a hell of a lot of money.
I like the shaved drip rails. Very nice. And this motor is so brand new, you can even still see the gaskets.
Yeah.
Just like super fresh.
It's like I said, if there's even 500 miles on it. I had everything polished, brackets, Pro Charger. You know, the hat was polished.
Wow.
Seats were just all redone.
Looks like you got brand new carpet also.
Carpet's a couple years old, but it's super
fresh.
lack of use, so it's not. Door panels, these were new. Were done new. All the weather strip, every little grommet
is done.
All these weather strips are brand new.
Man, very nice. Sport comp gauges.
Makes around 9 and change.
Yeah.
Horsepower wise, and it's a great driver on the street. That's for a back half car. It rides really good.
What kind of shot you got over there? Is it not?
No. That was from the old engine.
Okay.
I just like the way the bottle looks, so I left it.
It does look good. Let's fire it up. nasty, huh?
It's not.
Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, so WeBeAutos.com. And Lenny, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Beautiful car, bro.